Afternoon. Today's activity is an indoor one because the weather in Marsden Park is, what's the weather like today, Shane?
It's very hot.
Very hot. How hot is it,
degrees.
Sean? 37, which translates to how many Fahrenheit? Oh, 102 Fahrenheit.
102.
Like Sophia, I'm sorry, I know you're missing tennis today, but today our cooking class is about making palitaw. Okay, so this is glutinous sticky rice ground up, and you're gonna play like you're making Play-Doh. Okay, so the good thing about this story is your mom used to make it and sell it. So she was a businesswoman. She was a professional palitaw maker. So like you make, you just put water in it, and then if you want to add coloring, you can do that. So I just want to get, so here's your bowl. Oh, maybe that could be Sophie's.
I'll use this one.
Right. And then here's your water, but you gotta add the water gradually, and then you mix it with your hand until it forms a dough.
Okay.
All right. And then gradually, then,
Do I pour the whole thing in at once? Or
well, like
gradually.
gradually,
what
because,
does that mean?
oh, sorry, like little by little, because you want to make a good
like,
consistency.
Pour a little first, mix, and then pour another little
Yes,
bit.
that's right.
Do I start?
Uh-huh. Yeah,
Oh, come on.
you can start.
Appreciate
Shane.
it.
I'm sorry we wake up Shane
Go
today.
off to sleep.
Yes.
Wash my hands.
So Shane chose the strawberry flavored palitaw, and Sean chose the ube flavor, and now Sophie chose the traditional, original palitaw. Right? Okay. So I'm gonna start boiling and heating up the water, because what happens, you make a, you just create a bowl like a 1 inch, and then you shape it, and then you flatten it, and then we put it in the boiling water, and once it floats, it's an indication that it is cooked, and then we can start eating it.
Does it taste good?
Yeah.
Play-Doh now.
Yeah, it's
Yep.
like actual Play-Doh.
I'm gonna use my second hand maybe.
Yeah. I'm gonna use my second hand as well.
This is good.
Wow.
So now you can form a
This is
bowl
so
now.
much
I
better.
think I need more food dye.
Okay. How many ube?
Can I use this bowl? There's no water in it.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. But you can put your bowl.
Sophia,
in
you
there.
still have a lot of flour in here.
Yeah, but if I use it, it won't work.
Oh, I see.
What do
Okay.
you mean? This?
Yep. So like Sophie, I know you like Nutella.
Yeah.
Like you can fill yours with Nutella if you like,
Yeah.
but we can
Wait,
make
can I
plain.
grab some of the flour and
I'll try a plain one, but I'll also try with Nutella.
Okay, cool. So how was your first palitaw making?
Fun. It felt like Play-Doh.
Right,
Yeah.
it's fun, right?
It smells a bit too.
I'll just try and put a bit more in that one. Yeah. This is really fun.
Look how pretty! I love that ube. I can't wait to try it.
How long would it take?
It was.
My bowl.
I dropped it in.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna wash my hands now.
Nice. Good job. Yes. Oh, wow. Okay, cool.
We should
Oh, no, it's okay. There's still 5 more. I'll do my other ube.
I'll drop your other one then.
Yeah.
Very good. Yeah, the strawberry one looks so good. Oh, that looks so yummy good. Nice. That is so nice.
It's so smooth.
So Shane wants to experiment and put nerds. How do you say it?
Nuts?
Nerds.
Yeah, nerds.
A nerd. One nerd candy. Can I see a nerd candy? Oh, a nerd.
Nut.
A nerd. So you're gonna flatten it, Shay, and then you're gonna stuff it. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, you can put more. I didn't realize it's that tiny. So yeah, but first you gotta. What do you choose? This one? Okay. Yeah. So flatten it with your palm, and then you stick it in there.
Yep.
Yep. Yep. You want to put more, and then that would be the last one, right? Sorry, Sean. Do you want to give him nods?
Okay.
All right. Sophia wants to put Nutella in her palitaw. That looks great.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay, how are we going to eat it? Come on here.
All right. We'll try it. Let me know what you think.
I wash my hands. Do this, right? I wash my hands.
Is it hot?
You're pushing and you're breaking it already.
Is it sticky?
Ooh.
You're breaking
Whoa. What do you think of your Nutella palitaw?
it. Yeah, just close it up.
Wow. Yummy. Normally, so this is the traditional.
No, we need to separate
So, so this is for your mommy. Can you put some of this on top, please?
What's that?
Uh-huh. Yep.
Teacher Oman,
Uh-huh. I would
this is
say.
it. The one with the knife.
Okay, cool.
Pushing this
You gotta
separate,
mark
put it
that.
on a separate one.
Oh yeah, here, we'll put this here so you know.
And then
And now Sophia is putting toasted sesame seeds. So yeah, those will be the last one we drop,
okay.
right?
Yeah.
All right, Sophia's gonna deliver to her mommy some
I'll tell you guys what she
ube.
thinks.
Wait, Sophie, say palitaw.
Palitaw.
Yeah, say, here mommy, here's your traditional plain palitaw and ube palitaw. Say palitaw.
Palitaw.
Ube palitaw. Ube.
Palitaw.
Uh-huh. Cool. Good luck.
Nice.
And now this Auntie Boy trying the palitaw that we made.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Nice.
I got
Crispy.
44. Teacher.
Sticky.
It's perfect.
Love it.
She loves it.
Love it.
You should try the ube and the strawberry one.
What's